all the people I heard, whether it was Rituraj or Gautam or Kailash or all of you who spoke so well and with so much confidence, speaking such nice wise words that I don't think anyone of us here need to give any wise words to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to see that at the end of the 6 months, you all at least developed up into very good and mature human beings. So thanks all of you. Thanks for all the support which you have been giving the last 6 months to all of us, whether it's the director, the program director or the other faculty, and the way you've been interacting with each other, developing the friendship and dosti club, as Madhuri said. Keep it up, be in touch with each other, and this 6 months should have been an enriching experience for you, whether it's on your professional front. I hope you have gained as much technical knowledge as possible, whatever we try to impart to you all. And as far as your personality is concerned, I hope you have been able to have improvised. I don't know, it is you people are your own best judges. You should be able to judge what you were as of 27 June when you joined here and as you are today. And if you feel like yes, you have developed into a better person, our work is done and we feel we've got our Dasharna back. Okay? I wish you all the very best for your future. Keep doing well in life. I'm sure all of you will get very good jobs, and you just walk in one day or we meet you in some seminars or conferences or across the street, and you come across and introduce yourself like Sir said, he's been meeting people, and you tell us about the great things you've achieved in life. Please keep sharing your experiences. Whatever help from our side could be done and will be done, we will always be doing for all of you. Okay? And I'd like to thank our director sir for taking out some time from his very busy schedule and gracing this occasion. I also thank all the faculty members, the senior faculty members who have come in and been a part of this program and have delivered some good talk and have tried to give the words of wisdom to all of you. And thank all of you for coming here, and I can see you've all been missing hope. You can send a message to him that you are missing. He is right now in the immigration office doing some work for going back to his own country. So it would have been nice having been here part of this function because you all got very close with him. And please do well. Keep on adding feathers in your life. Wishing you all a very bright and successful future. Thanks a lot.